Assalamualaikum. This is a message to all parents who are staying home with their children, who are staying home with their teens. It's very important that we actually keep our cool, keep our patience. I know it's a different reality, it's a different situation, and it's a different norm that we are adapting to as parents and as also our children. It's very important that we actually acknowledge the effort made by our children by being patient, by being vigilant, by staying on par with their education, with all their activities. They're not able to go out, they're not able to go to parks, they're not able to engage with their friends, they're not able to physically meet with their friends, go to movies, go to parks, go to malls, like their usual selves, right? But it's very important that we actually keep the house calm and cool for them and help them entertain in the house, engage with you. And it's very important to actually acknowledge the effort being made by on their part as young people who are not mature enough like us, who are not capable enough like us, and who are not patient enough like us as mature adults. They're actually doing everything they can to actually help compose themselves. So it should be applauded, it should be acknowledged, and it should be actually celebrated by saying, you know what, you're doing amazing. I know your school is off, you're not able to mingle, you're not able to go to the playground, you're not engaging with your friends, you're not engaging with your neighborhood friends, you're not able to even go to neighborhood parks, right? But I actually do appreciate your patience and your sabr and your not throwing any tantrums or anything, right? So we always criticize our kids all the time, and we do our part, but this is the time where we actually acknowledge their effort, acknowledge their patience, and reduce the amount of frustration, the annoyance, and anger on our part. As parents, this is a very, very important responsibility that we have. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala consistently reminds the children to be patient with their parents, to serve their parents, not to be abusive to their parents. And I don't see any reminders for the parents to do the same for their children. You know why? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as our creator and the ultimate knowing being, knows that it's in our default mechanism to be kind, to be patient, to be caring to our children. So there is no reminder, but this is also the part of sawab, the hasana that you can collect by being a patient parent, by being a caring parent, and by being an acknowledging parent. So this is my message for you, inshallah. Keep writing to me and keep engaging with your kids, and also keep listening to these messages that all of us are trying to convey to each other, and stay connected. Please keep me and my family in your prayers. Stay safe, stay home, but socially engage virtually, inshallah. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.